Now the next question number 7, distinguish. The first one is distinguish between inductive effect and resonance effect. Now remember students, if distinguish is asked for 2 marks, then each point carries half mark. Always remember, if it is for 2 marks, then you need to write down 4 points. If it is for 3 marks, then you need to write down 6 points. So basically, you are going to write down points, okay, and each points it will carry half mark. So depending upon the question, you are going to answer it. Let us quickly have a look on all the 4 distinguish. So all the points I have included, kindly have a look on. So the first one is inductive effect and resonance effect. Now this effect, inductive effect, it operates in saturated compounds. Presence of multiple bond is not necessary. We know that inductive effect, it takes place in the presence of sigma bond, that is single bond. Whereas a resonance effect, it operates in unsaturated and particularly in conjugated system. Okay, so there should be what? A conjugated, that is alternate double bond. Then the second point is, in this effect, that is the inductive effect, electron pair is slightly displaced, which causes only partial development of charges. Right? So there will be partial development of charges, that is plus and minus charge. Whereas in resonance, electron pair is completely transferred and thus full positive and negative charges are developed. The third point, inductive effect involves the displacement of a sigma electron. As I said, it takes place in the presence of sigma bond. Whereas resonance effect, it involves the displacement of a pi electron. And then the last one is, there is no delocalization of electron taking place in inductive effect. Whereas in resonance, of course, there is delocalization of electron. Clear? Now let us proceed ahead with electrophile and nucleophile. Now talking about electrophile and nucleophile, electrophile is an electron deficient species, right? It carries a positive charge, so it needs an electron. Whereas nucleophile is an electron rich species. Okay, N stands for nucleophile, N stands for negative. So like this, you can use this trick. Coming to the second point, electrophile, since they are positive, definitely they will be attracted towards negative charge, right? So they are electron seeking. Whereas nucleophile, since they are negative charge, they are attracted towards a positive charge. Clear? So they are basically nucleus seeking. So electrophiles are electron loving, nucleophiles are nucleus loving. Coming to the third point, it attacks a nucleophilic center in the substrate and brings electrophilic reaction. Whereas the third point for nucleophile is, it attacks the electrophilic center. Okay, it is the opposite, right? In the substrate, and it brings about nucleophilic reaction. Now when I talk about electrophile, since they are electron deficient, so they need electron. So basically they are electron acceptor. And if they are electron acceptor, according to Lewis, it is defined that any species which accepts an electron is called as Lewis acid. On the other hand, nucleophile are Lewis base since they donate the electron. Electrophile, it can be positive or neutral species like H plus Br, NO2 plus. Whereas nucleophile, they can be negative or neutral species. Clear? Let us proceed ahead with carbocation and carbanion. Now carbocation, these are the species in which carbon carries a positive charge, right? Carbocation are the species which contains what? Which contains a carbon group which is carrying a positive charge. Whereas carbanion are the species which contain carbon. On that carbon atom, there is a negative charge. Carbocation, since it is electron deficient because of the positive charge, so they are sp2 hybridized. Whereas carbanion, they can be sp2 or sp3. Now carbocation, as I said, they are electron deficient, whereas carbanion, they are electron rich, right? And then the example is tert butyl carbocation, and over here we have methyl carbanion. So this was everything related to distinguish between Inductive